Spiral is the next one in the topic of generators. Go to 3D Shapes tab. In the Generator section, select the third one, the Spiral Generator. A spiral is a curve that rotates around a certain point of the rotation radius, moving closer or further from it. The spiral has a starting point and an ending point. Let's take a look at the generator setting. Hide all objects lets you hide or show other scene objects. Top radius. This value allows you to zoom in or out the upper radius of the spiral to the rotation point. Bottom radius is similar to the previous action, allows zooming in or out to the lower radius of the spiral. Height allows you to increase or decrease the height of the spiral by removing the endpoint of the spiral from the plane. Revolve allows increasing the bend of the spiral. The following value allows you to increase the radius of the upper point of the spiral. Bottom thickness allows increasing the size of the lower part of the spiral. Edges allows you to add horizontal segments to the spiral. Radial segments allows adding vertical segments along the radius of the spiral, forming a sharp or smooth shape of the object. Default values allows applying the value of the spiral by dropping all of the previous settings. To confirm the action, press OK or cancel to cancel the action.